4 of these that have lids on them, because in that way it's all secured. You'll put cholesterol. Only cholesterol can go in as your mop product. When you come to get your bag checked and stuff, you can get cholesterol here. Okay? You are only doing 3 foils. So you don't need a whole container of cholesterol. So that's why I'm like, come in. But you do need to label, okay? Fancy labeling again, okay? So if I want to reuse these containers, because it's just cholesterol, you can clean them out, you can tape it on. So it just says lightness, okay? Everybody got that? One thing you'll note, I do not have a spatula in here, which means what? No base cream, because this is not going on the scalp. I've got my foil. Now, you will be doing this in another section. The only thing I recommend is leaving one of your big sections in the back for your blow dry curling iron. Other than that, you can do however. So the next one will be 3 foils. This is why, again, the foil, every now and then I'll replace it with new shiny that match. So you need at least 3, but I would pack more because in case you drop one, you have extra. You do need a metal tip comb in this one. So when you come in, make sure that you do have your gloves on. You're going to do 3 foil placements, and you're going to do slice or weave. It's your choice. But make sure that your sections are smooth, nice and clean, not too thick, and don't go too wide, okay? Because you don't want to fold in the hair. So usually the rule of thumb is about 3 inches wide for most everything you do with all of our stuff. So about the width of my finger. If you've got bigger fingers than me, which is not hard, you know, you can just kind of measure that out to be about 3 inches. Also, too, you need negative hair in between. What does negative hair mean? Fall out? Yes, just make sure you have hair in between each foil, okay? So, clean, straight parting, and do not lay your comb down. You weave, you pick your brush up with my comb in hand, and then you put your foil, okay? So, if we hurry, we can get 3 foils in before lunch.